In this tutorial, you'll learn how to go about using and navigating strategiesforautonomy.com.ar, a website where you can explore, develop, and exercise all the vocabulary learning strategies proposed by Schmidt, and some more, so that you can become a more autonomous learner. If you're watching this video, it may be the case, of course, that you've already accessed the site. If you haven't, the first and basic first step is to type in on the address bar of your browser www.strategiesforautonomy.com.ar. A first look at the material reveals a description of its goals and possibilities. To become acquainted with the relationship between learning strategies and autonomous learning, you may choose to watch this suggested video. In the top right-hand corner, you can hover over the different sections of the page on the navigation bar. Clicking on a particular section will provide quick and easy access by automatically directing you to that selected section on the website. Back in the Home section, and if you want to go straight to the acquisition and practice of vocabulary learning strategies, you may scroll down the page and start looking into the two main broad types: discovery and consolidation strategies. In either case, by clicking on the See More button, you can listen to an audio file that will explain and describe these two broad categories. Each section, Discovery and Consolidation, is organized into tabs with a list of the strategies in each subcategory. In the case of discovery strategies, there are two subtypes: determination and social strategies. In turn, in each list of strategies, for each individual strategy, you will have a minimum of 3 choices: explore, develop, and exercise. By clicking on the Explore section, you get acquainted with the strategy. In the Develop section, you will dig a bit deeper into the strategy. The Exercise section usually provides more concrete exercises to put the strategy into practice. You can use each section at your discretion and start from any point. The Consolidation section has 4 tabs that you can hover over and choose from: social strategies, memory strategies, cognitive strategies, and metacognitive strategies. Again, in each tab, there is a list of strategies you can work on. You can click on different sections in each case. When you click on a link, it will open in a different tab so that you can easily come back to the main page. If you're not very sure how to go about the page, that is, which strategies you should be working on, you can try your chances at the random wheel, which is at the bottom of the page. You simply click on it, it spins, and finally gives you a strategy to work on. The names of the strategies have been shortened for practical reasons, but the wheel will give you the broad category, the subcategory, and the name of the individual strategy. You can then scroll up the page, find the strategy, and start exploring, developing, or exercising it. At the very bottom, there are some links that will provide you with extra information on relevant topics like strategies, Schmidt's taxonomies and studies, and autonomy. Now that you know how to navigate this page, you can start using it now. Enjoy!